Going on, guys? A little early morning video from the Model Works. I've gotten, you've heard me mention a few times on my channel, Ushi powder. So I did a little experiment. Here's the Ushi powder. I have two out of the three. This is chrome. This one's the steel. I wanted to see what the difference was. You can put this stuff on straight styrene without any paint, but it doesn't look as good as it does with paint, especially black paint. You can get them on Amazon now. At one point, you could only get them on eBay. But I got the chrome one on Amazon, so I know you can get all three. About right around $20 delivered. But this little thing here will leave it in your will because you're going to have enough for the rest of your life. You need minimal amount. The wife was throwing out a couple of makeup brushes. So you want something that's, got short bristles on it because you're going to use it to burnish. And you just have to put a very, very small amount on the end of your brush. If anybody's ever polished anything, that's what this stuff reminds me of, is polishing powder. Like when you go to polish chrome and stuff like that, there are certain emery powders and shit that you use to do that, to get the shine. But anyway, so I did a little experiment last night. I just finished it up this morning. I took a bunch of old rims that I just had laying around, and I painted them different different blacks. The F is for flat, the SG is for semi-gloss, and the G is for gloss. So I did the 3 for the steel, and I did 3 for the chrome. And just to see to myself if you can notice the difference, and you can definitely notice the difference. You can definitely see the difference. I don't know if you can on camera, but there's a significant difference between the gloss and the flat, and even the semi-gloss. So the shinier your base coat is, boys, the shinier the Ushi powder will be. I can't. I like it. I mean, I can't explain enough how much it looks more like bare metal than anything, than any paint you could use, other than using metal. But this is the one at the bottom is the chrome. I don't know if the light's good enough, but I mean, but the backing color definitely makes a difference. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I can. I mean, there's the flat, and then you look at the gloss. So, but it's called Ushi powder, USCHI. And there's 3 kinds. There's chrome, steel, and there's an iron one. Like I said, I know you can get all 3 of them on Amazon now and eBay. Right around $20 delivered. But like I said, that little bottle will, I mean, you need so little of this stuff on a brush that I have actually done some of the Ushi powder and then like gone to do it, a couple models later and taken this brush out and still gotten some off the brush. So those little bottles should last you forever. So that was my little experiment just to see how it looked. And but like I said, I'm pretty happy. I mean, the chrome's pretty cool on the steel. But I have found that the more you rub this, the shinier it'll get. So You just sit there and rub away on it. Like I said, you need minimal on your brush, but you need a good stiff brush. I haven't tried anything but those little things. The wife was going to throw them out, and I snagged them, so I'm glad I did. I suppose you could use a Q-tip. I haven't tried any other brush, to be honest with you guys, just those two. I haven't even tried a Q-tip, but I'm sure a Q-tip would work. If you do some of this, do not, excuse me, it's early, I'm still waking up here. If you do work with the Ushi powder, make sure you got a shirt on. Oh, damn. If you use the Ushi powder, excuse me, guys. Alright, after I just get done dying. If you do use the Ushi powder, guys, and you're using a lot of it, I would definitely recommend wearing a shirt and gloves, because it can get kind of messy. And once you get it on you, it's a little tough to get off. But like I said, there was my experiment. Yes, definitely the glossier your base coat is, the better it will shine. Flat black, semi-gloss black, gloss black. Same up here. And there's definitely a difference. There's definitely a difference between all three of them. So, depending on how shiny you want your Ushi powder to look, that's what I would recommend. Black. Flat black, semi-gloss black, or gloss black. I have not tried it with any other color. That is my next attempt. Maybe see what it looks like on a gray. Alright, even a red, take out a red and see what happens with it. So, there are more experiments down the road. And you guys, if anybody else has any of this, and I didn't come up with this. I found, I was introduced to this stuff by Benny over at Fubar. He's the first guy in the community I saw using it. And there might be other guys, but he was the first one that I saw. So I went out and bought the steel. I'm pretty sure he had the steel one. And I got it and started using it. And like I said, I can't rave enough about how much like metal it looks. That's what I used on these corner pieces. So I painted them black, flat black, used the steel Ushi powder on them, and then I came in with this color. This is Tinny Tin. I can't recommend this color enough, guys. This is a great weathering color. So I just took a little bit of that, and I hit the Ushi with it, and I don't know if you can see it here, but it gave it like a copper look to match the copper I got on there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, like I said, that was my experiment. So now we know it definitely makes a difference what your backing color is. So the more shiny you want it, put down a shinier paint. Like I said, this was all done with black. Flat black, so semi-gloss and gloss. So, that's it, boys. I'm done. I just thought I'd do that. You guys take a look at it. I appreciate all the kind words on the bomber. I really appreciate the kind words. I just wish it was historically accurate. But Al likes it, so that's all that matters to me. So, but there you go, boys. A little Ushi tutorial. So, but go check it out. Go check it out. Well worth it, I think. And like I said, leave it to somebody in your will, because you ain't never going to use all that whole bottle. So, alright, I'm rolling down here, boys. Rolling down time. Hopefully another ride today on a bike. It's supposed to be nice. So, Mrs. Mac's going out, so I'm on my own. Alright, fellas. Peace out.